All right, gotta get back into shape, so I'm gonna bang out a couple easy ones. Single number, going in blind here. Given a non-empty array of integers nums, every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. You must implement a solution with linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. Well, this is making me feel silly. So let's see. This kind of reminds me of like two sum, which I got incredibly wrong, or at least I made it really slow. So how could I make it better? Linear runtime complexity. Okay. It only uses constant extra space. So to sum, the solution was to create a hash table of the constants or of the complements. To sum is given an array where two of the numbers in the array add up to a target number. Find the indices of those two numbers. Does a dictionary count as constant extra space? Because I could just count the number of appearances of all the things, and then that way I could just do one pass through. And then just pull out the value in the dictionary that has the one appearance. Okay, let's try doing that. Okay. Let's see if that was good. Sorry, I just had. Oh, awesome. And we're back. We're back. I was worried. That's really funny. I went into this one worrying that it was gonna make me feel stupid, and now I feel smart. Makes me, it keeps you coming back. It's actually pretty good. Um, so now that I know that I got the right answer, let's just go over this. It's really simple. Solutions does anyone come up with? If I'm not abiding by the rules, let me know in the comments. But I think this abides by the rules, considering that I was in the top half of memory, and top 90% for runtime. Basically what I did was I made a dictionary, and that dictionary counts the appearances of every number, like this. If it's already in the dictionary, just increase it by 1. Otherwise, it's set it to 1, initialize it. Then I go through the dictionary, and I go through each of the, even though I'm going through 2 lists, it's still linear, because it's like, 2n is the same as on. And I'm saying, okay, if so, dot items gives us the pair, gives us a tuple of the key and item pair. And so we say, okay, if the count is 1, then return the number that has that count of 1. Awesome. All right, thanks for watching.